Well, this article is about ancient ice ages. Creation societies have no problems with an ice age. In fact, they would argue that the requirements for an ice age are met by the worldwide flood, where the magma would have heated up the oceans, creating a huge amount of precipitation. But the magma would also have created, the volcanoes, a sort of volcanic winter where the particles block the sun from coming to the earth and therefore create a much colder climate. So you have that combination of plenty of precipitation but a very cold atmosphere. Now that doesn't happen normally. Arctic and Antarctica by and large lack precipitation because cold weather doesn't generate precipitation. You need hot oceans to produce the precipitation required for an ice age. And therefore, it's very hard to say how an ice age would ever happen in the old Earth scenarios, but flood geology does provide that. But what about the ancient claims, ancient ice ages, up to 50? Well, as Michael Ord shows in this article, the features that are associated with these ancient ice ages can be explained by other processes. And this is a common problem that sometimes people will, as it were, run to a conclusion when that may not be the only way you can get those conclusions. There may be other reasons why you have those features geologically. And therefore, it is often presumption to assume that we have 50 ice ages when the evidence is far from conclusive. And that's why I like these articles, because they challenge often widely accepted ideas and make us think again that maybe those claims to have evidence for an old Earth are not as robust as we think, and hence the authority of the Bible is not being undermined. It must always be remembered that we don't know everything, and therefore we have to be very careful about jumping to conclusions unless the evidence we have is very strong. And it has to be said that most evidence is not very strong, certainly for historical events. Well, thank you for listening.